For the art of origami, which is paper folding, you need a square sheet. Now you take this. I'm just showing here how you're going to place this. The colored side is on one side and this is on. You place it like this. Now we do the first fold known as the valley fold. You fold this corner like this to touch this corner, and this corner to touch this corner, and then you're pressing it down with your thin finger so that it is equal. Then you take for the mountain fold, the paper is from this side to this corner. Can you see? In a form of a triangle. And then again you're placing it like this to touch this, and you have another fold to be done, and this completes the mountain fold. Now this will complete the valley fold, and in the valley fold you will find 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you get it. And here in the mountain fold you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 again. The pattern will look like this. Now understand, this is the first step of what you're going to do. Next, you're going to take this valley fold, place it in the same direction, like both the closed end on one side, and you're going to bring this corner to this corner. Okay, that is the valley fold step 1. And then, now watch this. I will put this back. Can you see? Like this. I do the same here. And I'm going to repeat this process once again. Now when this is done, you will then okay. Now can you see this? This is the simplest idea of a which you can do with a valley fold. Now I am removing this, bringing it back to position, where I am going to keep my hand on the center line here, and I am going to place my finger in, and I am going to press exactly on the line. 1. Again I take this side, place my finger on the center line here, and I'm going to press it down. Alright, and then you can also do this, and you can also do it this way, and your fish is ready. Done.